Okay, question 103. So set up division problems below with whole numbers as shown in the previous problem. To help you solve the problems below, show all of your work. All right, so I'm just going to set them up and then I'm going to leave it to you to do the long division. So first of all, remember the top number always goes inside. So this is going to be 2.5 and the bottom number goes outside and that is 0.25. So we want to take 2 and 5 tenths and divide that by 25 hundredths. So once again, remember, the number outside we need to make into a whole number. So I'm going to slide my decimal 2 spots to the right. Then I got to do the same thing inside. So I slide my decimal 2 spots to the right. So I need to add a 0 so I can get my second slide. And then my decimal goes right up here in the answer. So now it's really 250 divided by 25. I'm going to leave it up to you to do the long division. On this one, same idea. Top number goes inside. So it's negative 1 and 12 hundredths. Don't worry about the negative sign yet. And we're going to divide that by 7 tenths. All right. So once again, I got to make this into a whole number. So I slide the decimal 1 spot to the right. So I got to do the same thing inside. We slide the decimal 1 spot to the right. And then it goes straight up on our answer. Okay, so remember what we're doing here. When we slid this to the right 2 spots on both these, we're really multiplying both these by 100. When I slide this 1 spot to the right and this 1 spot to the right, I'm really multiplying both of these by tens. So this idea with this fraction here, what we're really doing, erase this so I have a little more work. What we're really doing is we're really multiplying both of these by 10 to get equivalent fractions. And when I do that, this now becomes 25 over 2.5 because we just slide the decimal 1 spot to the right. This one, I multiplied by 100. All right. And the reason I did that, to slide this 2 spots to the right. So when I do that, this is what my problem looks like. If we slide this 2 spots to the right, it becomes 112 because the decimal was here. Slide it 2 spots to the right. Now we slide this one 2 spots to the right. Well, it starts here, but I got to slide it 2 spots. So there's 1. So I need a 0 for a placeholder. So notice what we've done. We've gotten this to be a whole number. But why are we doing this? Because we have this giant 1 idea. We're doing the same thing to top and bottom. So I'm sliding 2 spots to the right. On this one, same idea. I start out with 59 and 1/10. Top number goes in the box. And this is 3/10. So I need to make this into a whole number. So I slide this 1 spot to the right. So I slide this 1 spot to the right, put my decimal right up top. Then I'm going to leave it up to you to actually finish out the division. The key to all of this today, and the number one thing you've got to pull out of what we did today, is this idea, and I can't stress it enough. First of all, top number inside, bottom number outside that we've been talking about all year. All right, but here is the most important thing. Making this into a whole number. So we slide it 2 spots to the right. So now I got to slide this one 2 spots to the right. There's 1 and there is 2. So really now I'm 250 divided by 25. All right, so enjoy your long division.